Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn together how to encrypt your folder and the file. And then the video is not, it's not that long, so I'm gonna show you guys how we do it, okay? Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso toza kolanda nga na oyo toza na ngonga ekokana te lelo kolakisa bino ndenge nini totiaka sécurité na nini na biso na folder na file soki boza na mituna ozokomprendre te okota na site na nga makambo nyonso ezala kuna. Alors biloko na osalela yango na mashine mosusu oyo nazolakisa bino oyo eza mashine na ngai oyo tobengaka na anglais host, okay? Oyo eza host, okay? It's a host machine. Alors oyo mosusu na koutilize tobengaka yango virtual machine, okay? Okaki boza na mituna bozo comprendre te tindela ngai message na répondre bino. Guys, so everything I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my virtual machine, okay? And in case you don't get it, please feel free to contact me, okay? I'm here to help you guys. All those stuff I'm trying to help you guys. When I took a computer back in the day in high school, I didn't learn it. No, they only touch us how to use Word, all those kind of stuff. But please watch this. After when you're done, you should be good, okay? So what I have to do here, I'm gonna use a virtual machine to do all those stuff, okay? So I'm gonna use Windows 10, okay? So I'm just gonna put my password and so we're here, okay? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go to we're gonna create like a document, okay? So just gonna delete this for now. Don't need this. So here I'm gonna create the folder first. Okay, this is the folder. Let's say we're gonna call this Ichasa. Oh no, let's call this Paris. You know what? We're just gonna call this friends. Okay, friends. Now, when we click inside of this, let's see. Inside of this, we're gonna call this document, let's say, Paris. All right. Now, we're gonna write something inside of it. We're using Notepad, okay? So if you take a look, let's write something inside, just something, okay? Let's write Paul et aller en France, okay? Pauline au Paulin va à oh non, Paulin va au Congo, au Canada. Pauline est allée au Japon. Okay, just to put something on writing. If I want, yeah. So you may say, you see, the main reason I don't put the accent here because I'm using the notepad, okay? The notepad, I cannot put the accent there. If I use like Word, it's a different story. But this one is the notepad, okay? I just put something for you guys to understand. Just something is there, okay? So let's say this one, 2, 3. Okay, this one I just put something in French. I just write something for you guys to understand. Okay, so we're gonna save this. Okay, we're gonna save it right there. Okay, I'm gonna close it here. So when you take this one is the folder. Okay, when we click inside the folder, we have the file. Click on it. This is what I wrote. Okay, so I just put something there. Okay, so if I wanna encrypt this, this is what you have to do. So to limit to security now. So I'm gonna show you guys a few things here first. Okay, look. So go to click na yangu. When we click here, right click. Okay, right click. Let me move this up a little bit here. Okay. So go to click na yangu. Right click. Okay. To ye awa plus ba komi property. Okay. To click na yangu. Omona biloko omona nini abo baba. Omona ba general sharing security pre-version customize. So to click awa omona type folder omona biloko mosusu eza awa location cd user number university desktop biloko mwa mingi awa soki to click na security omona biloko mwa mingi awa omona ndeti allowed deny soki otali bien na cours na mosusu nando koloba makambo full condition. So if you take a look, we got full control, modify, read, and execute list of list folder context. We got read, we got write, right? We have allowed, we have deny. Okay. If you take a look here, you can do some changing there. You can put deny. If you look here, you click here, you're gonna see some different stuff here. Okay. If you take a look, okay. So we're just gonna cancel. I want to show you guys. Okay. So and you see, if I want to change this name, I can go here and I can change it. If I click there, right, you see here, okay, but we're gonna talk about this later on. Okay, right now I'm not using this one. I'm not gonna focus on that. Okay, so when we go here, nothing's there. We go here if you want to do some changing, but in this case we're gonna go on here and security. Okay, now and we're gonna go back. So now let's say we wanna encrypt this file, this folder. Okay, we go here and we're gonna go here. Okay, you see encrypt is there. Allow the file in the folder to have context, and then in addition to the file property. Okay, so to encrypt this, you put here. Okay, or let's say for example, this is the folder. Let's say for example, I wanna encrypt this one. Okay, so go to security. O clique awa na katikati naona sure na yo na liboko, clique na yango oye awa, clique na yango omoni oye awa, omona awa elakisi yo a type of file, omona yango text document. Soki mpo olobi ochange yango okoki ochange yango awa ochange no mpe yango olobi ochange songi ndeni okoki ochange yango but mpe na nga na do that. Soki toye awa soki mpo olingi ndeti naloba biloko mosusu après soki oklike awa olingi o encrypt otia sécurité oye awa moni awa klike awa klike nango oklike ok cliquer apply. Okay, you see encrypt the file and its parent folder. Okay, recommend they put here. Okay, oh okay, if you want to do that, encrypt the file only. I can say that's what they put recommend. Okay, so let's put this just for now. I'm gonna show you guys the other one after, okay? Just for now, just to show you. We're gonna do the other one. Okay, 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 okay. You see, you're gonna see some things there. Let me make this a little bit bigger in case you don't see it. You see, the key is right here, like a key, right? So when we close this, there's a section also we're gonna do for the to get the certificate, but not in this class. Okay, we're gonna go step by step. Okay, donc in malembe ça va partir sur la semaine ni bazwa certificat nango, bombi yango tout ça. Po eza mutu twa kokoya kote na ordinateur no pa fungula ngwa fona ngo eza tu moni eza kula ndetolo bana na lingala kumba moni yango moni. Alors tuto bito longo wana omoni awa eza na ngoti kumba wana ndetolo bana lingala eza te na bito sino longo na oprononce ngo bien po pardonner eza te mais soto cliquer na kati na yango yo. Okay. Siko po soko sande tina cliquer nango na fungo omoni soko ndeti olingo longolango o cliquer awa. O cliquer awa. Omoni place ba komi file ownership person o cliquer na yango elongo eke. Yeah? Eke. Sikoyo soto lobi ndeti na delete nanga yango. Okay, na delete. Sikoyo nalobi na créer ndeti mususu to créer ndeti new folder call this US. Huh? Or let's put yeah. No, tika to chaka ndeti Canada. Yeah, okay? This is the folder. Now inside of Canada, we're gonna create the file. Okay? We're gonna call this province. Okay? We call this province. Now we're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna create the let's see. We're gonna create some. Let's put the text. One. I just put something like that because some of them, because of here I cannot write the French accent, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. Okay, so je vais en Belgique. Karine est allée au Maroc. Eric va au Congo. Okay, just to put something, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nakomika kama un exemple pour tout ça kapona daksabino ambao. Alors, siko na awa soki nakangi na ngango oh, you see na ye awa na save yango awa nakangi na ngai yango soki tokangi awa soki toye awa oyo eza folder na kati nango toza na file na file so toklike nango toza na kuna na document yango kaka natia mbango okay? Sikoyo soki nakangi yango tolobi tokende nde na explique wana oklike awa guys, you right click there, you go here okay? Oye awa yango te sikoyo soki tolobi toklike na biso toye ana security okay? Soki nde tolobi opesa for control this for example, if I want to come here, I want to deny all this, I put there okay? But we don't have to do that. So toye awa okay? To clique na biso awa okay? So to clique wana omona biloko mwa mingi abo okay? Alors sikoyo tozonga na biso esika nazalaki soki oclique awa oye awa okay? So oye wana oclique awa omoni soko oclique awa sikoyo tolobi to encrypt totya ndeti awa mpe ndeti boye sikoyo tolobi to encrypt yango toye awa toclique awa toclique ok okay? Ok toclique apply okay? Ok totiki ndenge ezali toclique ok toclique na biso ok omoni kumba moko eza wana soko otali bien soko otali yango bien omoni eloko moko eza lokola kumba guys, if you take a look you see eza lokola mwa kumba moko eza wana tokangi yango eza script sikoyo soki tolobi tolongola yango in case we want to get rid of this right click you go in a file the ownership you click here personal you click on it and then you're gonna get rid of it. But I'm gonna show you guys another way how to get the certificate okay? This is just to show you guys how to do it, but there's another, we're gonna go different step to get the certificate. And then in case like if somebody wanna come to log in to do this they can't, but you cannot lose that certificate okay? So for now I just want to show you guys this okay? So I'm gonna stop here for today.